If I woke up tomorrow morning with absolutely nothing, no money, no job, no degree, and no connections, but still had access to the internet, here's exactly what I'd do to make my first $100,000 this year. No luck, no handouts, just a clear plan that works in 2025. Because let's be honest, 99% of people say they want to be rich, but they never act rich. They keep trading time for money and calling it security. If you're serious about breaking free these remaining months of the year, stay with me for the next few minutes. I'll walk you through every step I'd take from zero to freedom. The first thing I'd fix isn't my wallet, it's my mindset. Because money flows to people who solve problems, not to those who complain about them. I'd stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a builder. I'd tell myself, you're not broke, you're just early. That small shift in mindset changes everything. Instead of chasing jobs, I'd start chasing skills. Instead of asking, how can I earn more? I'd ask, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? Step 1. Build one high-income skill. The top skills making people rich without capital are copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, AI automation, and YouTube content scripting. I'd pick one and dedicate the next 30 days to mastering it using free YouTube tutorials, Reddit guides, and online communities. If I chose copywriting, I'd study how to sell using words. If I chose video editing, I'd learn free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. I'd practice daily until I could turn ideas into results. Then, I'd build a simple online portfolio, even if it's just 3 examples of mock work. Because in the digital world, proof beats promise. Step 2. Monetize the skill fast. I wouldn't wait for perfection. I'd get paid to learn. I'd open profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn, offering affordable entry-level gigs. I'd join Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and Discord servers where people hire freelancers. My first goal wouldn't be profit, it would be proof. The first $100 I earn online would prove that the system works. Once that first sale comes in, everything changes. Confidence replaces doubt. I'd scale from being a freelancer to running a one-person micro-agency. If my skill was video editing, I'd start offering complete YouTube automation packages. If my skill was writing, I'd sell YouTube scripts or email copy for $50 to $100 each. Next comes step 3, create a personal brand. Once I made a few $100s, I'd stop being invisible. I'd start documenting my journey, facelessly, through short-form content. Why? Because attention is the new currency. I'd launch a faceless YouTube channel around personal finance, business, or self-improvement, and I'd use my skill to grow it. If I was a video editor, I'd produce motivational and educational clips with stock footage and AI voices. Within 60 to 90 days, I'd have enough data to see what topics perform best, then I'd double down on them. In 2025, one viral video can change your life faster than a college degree ever will. The beauty of faceless content is that you don't need fame, you need systems. Your videos become little employees that work for you 24 hours a day. Step 4. Reinvest into automation. Once the first $1,000 comes in, I wouldn't reward myself. I'd reinvest. I'd spend it on tools that multiply results. A better microphone, text-to-speech software, AI video tools, and maybe a virtual assistant. I'd start turning my side hustle into a structured business. The goal is to move from earning active income to building automated systems. That's where real wealth begins, when money starts working harder than you. Finally, step 5, scale into digital assets. I'd use everything I've learned to build things that pay me over and over again. Digital products, ebooks, courses, affiliate websites, templates, and my YouTube channels themselves. Each one becomes a tiny money machine that keeps earning while I sleep. That's the real secret. You don't need millions to start. You just need a model that repeats. Earn, reinvest, automate, and scale. If I had to start from zero in 2025, no connections, no money, no fancy background, this is exactly the roadmap I'd follow. Learn a high-income skill. Use it to create value. Turn that value into a personal brand. Reinvest into automation. And build digital assets that pay you forever. You're not behind. You're just beginning. The internet has reset the playing field. A teenager with a laptop can out-earn a degree holder with a desk job. The difference isn't opportunity, it's action. So, the next time you feel stuck, remember this. Every millionaire you see online started from the same zero you're at right now. They just decided to start and never stopped. Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving and start building. This is your blueprint. Now go rewrite your story.